Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Sam. What is your name? Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. Oh, good. Okay, Anna, are you happy? That is great. Teacher is happy too. I am happy to see you. Okay, Anna, are you ready? Yes. Okay, say, let's go. Okay, Anna, today we are going to learn about can only birds fly? Okay, say it with me. Can only birds fly? Okay, let's learn together. Let's go. Okay, Anna, look. Hmm. What animals do you know? Okay, circle the animals that you know. Okay. Oh, yes. What animal is this? Cat. Very good. Okay, say, this is a cat. Okay, good job. Now, what else? Circle more. Oh, this one. Yes, a dog. Okay, very good. What is this, the sound of a dog, Anna? What is the sound of the dog? Ruff, ruff. Okay, very good. Ow, ow, ow. Ruff, ruff, ruff. That is correct. Okay, what else? What animals do you know? Can you circle more? Oh, yes, this is monkey. Very good. Say, this is a monkey. Good job. Okay, now, what else? Okay, this is giraffe. Okay, say it again. Giraffe. Okay, now let's say this is a giraffe. Okay, good. Now, no more? Okay, now look at this. What animal is this? Rawr. Okay, this is a tiger. Say, this is a tiger. Okay, very good. Now, what about this? Okay, Anna, this is an elephant. Okay, say elephant. One more time. Elephant. Okay, good. Now, what's this? Okay, this is a penguin. Say penguin. Okay, say this is a penguin. Okay, good job. Now, last one. What is this? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Yes, you are correct. This is a bird. You have a lucky star. Ta-da! Okay, you have a lucky star, Anna. Good job. Very good. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, let's go. Anna, look. Say, hi there. Are you a bird? Okay, your turn. Say, hi there. Are you a bird? Okay, great. Now look. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Okay, your turn. Oh, okay. One more time. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Okay, great job. You have a lolly. Yay, I will give you a lolly. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy lolly. Okay, good job. Now, let's go to the next page. Okay, look, Anna, say owl. Okay, let's say owl 3 times. Okay, clap and say owl, owl, owl. Okay, owl, owl, owl. Okay, great. Now, look, let's count. One, two. Two owls. Okay, say two owls. Okay, good. Now let's say owls 3 times. Owls, owls, owls. Wow, very good, Anna. You have ta-dan, 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 a donut. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, very good, Anna. Now let's go to the next page. Mm, Let's say owls are birds. Okay, your turn. Say owls are birds. Okay, one more time. Owls are birds. Yay! Great job. Very good. Now, look, Anna, drag and say owls have got wings. Owls have got wings. Drag, drag, drag. Yay! Okay, now say owls have got wings. Your turn. Okay, one more time. Owls have got wings. Yay! Very good. Well done. Yay. Well done, Anna. You have a ribbon. Good job. Very good. Okay, now let's watch the video. Okay, let's watch, Anna. Okay, now, Anna, can owls fly? Okay, one more time, say owls can fly. Okay, again, can owls fly? Wow, very good. You've got it. I'll give you ta-da, an ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. Very good, Anna. Okay, now, Anna, let's read. Okay, okay, one more time. Owls are birds. Your turn. Okay, very good. Next one. Okay, one more time. Have got wings. Okay, great. Now, last one. One more time. Owls can fly. Yay! Wow, you are amazing, Anna. Teacher is so proud of you. Because of that, you have a candy. Yay! Yum, 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 yum. Good job, Anna. Oh, it's see you next time. Thank you, Anna, for having me as your teacher. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye, Anna.